Look, I'm about to expose the laziest way I've been making $5,000 a month while everyone else is grinding 12-hour days. Why other freelancers are competing on price and burning out. I discovered 2 AI tools that let me charge premium rates for services that take me minutes to deliver. And no, this isn't another making millions with ChatGPT scam. I am talking about risk system where I'm getting paid $200 to $500 per project on Fiverr and Upwork for work that AI does the 90% of. I am going to show you the exact 2-2 combo and the freelancing strategies that changed everything for me. What's up everyone? If you are tired of competing with $5 freelancers on Upwork, this video will completely change your approach. I'm not here to sell you a course or promote some overhyped AI tool. I am here to show you how I built a premium freelancing business using 2 platforms that let me deliver Hollywood level results in minutes. Here is what we are covering: the AI tools that turn me into a content strategist, charging $300+ per project. Second, the platform that creates viral thumbnails faster than any designer. Third, how to position these services on Fiverr, PPH, and Upwork to command premium prices. And finally, the exact pricing strategies that gets clients to pay me $5,000 plus monthly retainers. The best part, you don't need experience, you don't need a portfolio, and you definitely don't need to compete on price. Quick question before we dive in. Drop a yes in the comments if you have ever felt like you are undercharging for your services. I want to see how many of you this resonates with. The first tool I discovered turned me from a cheap content writer into a premium content strategist, charging 10 times more for the same time investment. I'll be honest, I was one of those freelancers competing on price, writing 1,000 word articles for $25, thinking that is just how freelancing works. I was completely wrong, and here is what changed everything: development. Enter Poppy AI at getpoppy.ai. This tool completely changed my freelancing game. Instead of offering basic writing services, I now offer AI-powered content strategies and creation packages starting at $297. Here is my process. A client gives me their existing content, could be their YouTube videos, podcasts, or even competitor research. I drag it into Poppy AI's virtual whiteboard, and within minutes, I have a complete content ecosystem mapped out. One client's 20-minute podcast becomes 15 social media posts, 3 blog articles, 5 email sequences, and a complete video series outline. What used to take content strategists weeks, I deliver in hours. The visual presentation is everything. Clients see their content strategist laid out like a professional mind map, with clear connections and opportunities. They are not just buying content, they are buying a strategic roadmap. Let me give you a real example. Last month, a fitness coach paid me $450 to analyze his top 5 YouTube videos and create a 90-day content calendar. Poppy AI did the heavy lifting in 30 minutes. I spent an hour organizing and presenting it professionally. This single tool turned me from a commodity writer into a strategic consultant. Same time investment, 10x the income. But content strategy is only half the battle. The visual presentation is what really sells. And wait until you see how fast this next tool works. While I was crushing it with content strategy, I discovered an even easier way to make money, and it takes 30 seconds per deliverable. You know what's crazy? Designers on Fiverr are charging $25 to $50 for thumbnails that take them hours to create. Meanwhile, I am charging the same price for thumbnails that take me 30 seconds and might often perform better. That is the power of Pikzels at Pikzels.com. This AI creates professional thumbnails that will make a graphic designer jealous, and I can pump them out faster than anyone can compete with. Here is my PPH gig structure: professional YouTube thumbnails with AI enhanced design starting at $35 for 3 thumbnails. The face swap features means I can create consistent branding for clients by uploading their photos once. But here is the secret sauce: I don't just deliver thumbnails, I deliver thumbnail packages with A/B testing variations. One client order becomes 5 to 10 different versions they can test. Clients love this because it shows I understand marketing, not just design. Let me give you a real numbers. My thumbnail gig alone brings in $2,000 to $3,000 $100,000 monthly, and I spend maybe 2 hours total on actual work. The rest is just client communication and project management. By the way, if you're getting value from this, smash that like button. It helps other people discover these strategies too. These two turn thumbnail designs from a time-intensive skill into a scalable service business. Now, here is where it gets really profitable, and this is the part that took me from $2,000 to $10,000 monthly. Once I started combining content strategies with visual design, something incredible happened. Clients started paying me monthly retainers instead of one-off projects, and I'm about to show you the exact package structure that changed everything. The biggest mistake freelancers make is thinking small. They sell individual services when they should be selling complete solutions. Clients don't want to manage 5 different freelancers. They want one person who can undo everything. Here is my premium package structure on PPH, complete YouTube growth system, starting at $1,200 monthly. This includes content strategies using Poppy AI and thumbnail creation with Pikzels and ongoing optimization. I need to tell you this, my process is systematic. Week 1, I analyze their existing content with Poppy AI and create a visual content roadmap. Week 2 to 4, I deliver the content pieces and thumbnails based on that strategy. Then, I track performance and optimize for the next month. The beautiful part is the recurring revenue. Instead of constantly hunting for new clients, I have 8 clients paying me $800 to $1,500 monthly each. That is $6,400 to $12,000 in predictable income before I even look for new projects. One client was getting 2,000 views per video after implementing my Poppy AI content strategy and Pikzels thumbnails. Their average jumped to 15,000 views. They gladly pay me $1,200 monthly because I am directly impacting their revenue. The position is everything. I am not selling AI services. I am selling growth strategy with AI enhanced execution. Clients pay premium prices because they see the strategic value, not just the tools. This combination turned me from a freelancer into a growth consultant. Same tools, completely different income level. But here is what separates the $1,000 per month freelancers from the $10,000 per month consultants, and most people get this completely wrong. The difference between making $1,000 and $10,000 monthly isn't the tools you use, it's how you position what you do. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. I thought the same thing. Most freelancers position themselves as order takers. I do whatever you need for cheap. That is a race to the bottom. Premium freelancers position themselves as problem solvers with specialized expertise. Here is my position strategy. I don't sell AI content creation. I sell strategic content multiplication system. I don't sell AI thumbnails. I sell conversion optimized visual branding. My Upwork and PPH profile doesn't mention AI tools at all. It focuses on results. I help YouTubers 3 times their views through strategic content planning and conversion optimized visuals. The tools are my secret weapon, not my selling point. The consultation process is key. I never take orders. I always start with a strategic call where I analyze their current approach and present a custom solution. This positions me as the expert from day one. I have one pricing psychology. Instead of competing on price, I compete on value. My packages are expensive because they are comprehensive. Clients would rather pay me $1,200 once than manage 4 different $300 freelancers. The key insight is Poppy AI and Pikzels don't just make me faster, they make me better. I can deliver insights and results that manual processes simply can't match. That is what premium pricing. This position strategy is why I have a waiting list of clients instead of competing for scraps on price. Here is what we have covered. Poppy AI turns you into a premium content strategist who can analyze and multiply any content in minutes. Pikzels creates professional thumbnails faster than any designer. Together, they let you offer comprehensive solutions that clients pay premium prices for. The key insight you should know is stop selling your time and start selling transformations. These tools don't just make you faster, they make you more valuable. Position yourself as a strategic consultant who happens to use cutting-edge AI, not an AI operator looking for work. My current income breakdown: $3,000 monthly from thumbnail retainers, $4,500 from content strategies packages, and $2,500 from one-off projects. That is over $10,000 monthly, working maybe 15 hours hours per week. Now, if you want me to personally walk you through this entire system, the exact tools, the positioning strategies, the client acquisition methods, and the pricing psychology that get clients to pay premium rates, I'm opening up my exclusive master coaching class. This isn't some generic course. This is me teaching you one-on-one on how to build a premium AI-powered freelancing business that generates 5,000 plus monthly. I show you the exact PPH gigs, my Upwork proposals, my client onboarding process, and even my project templates. The registration link is in the description below. But fair warning, I only work with serious people who are ready to implement, not just consume information. I'm curious, what's holding you back from charging premium prices for your services right now? Is it confidence, positioning, or just not knowing what high-value services to offer? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every comment, and I personally suggest how these tools could solve your specific challenge. And if this completely changed how you think about freelancing and AI, smash that subscribe button. I am constantly testing new strategies and tools, and I only share the ones that actually generate serious income. Remember, the master coaching class registration link is in the description. This is your chance to learn directly from someone who is actually doing this, not just talking about it. I see you inside the class. Don't thank me, and you're welcome.